Hey, what's going on YouTube? Got some mail from another country. Canada. Let's check it out. All right, so hopefully everyone's having a good week. It's starting to get cold out there. And silver's been going up and down. I noticed my sales on my store have increased, but not really for not much bullion. I think a lot of people that buy bullion are kind of like camped on the sidelines. But I am selling a lot of numismatic stuff, so glad I chose to go that a little stronger on that route before. All right, see what we got. So we got a 1889 Morgan silver dollar. Ooh, this is nice. Hold on, let me turn off my fan light. All right, so we got 1889 NGC Morgan silver dollar. So it's quite interesting. I've never bought anything from Canada, at least not recently, at least not this kind of stuff. And I noticed that when you check out, and again, I bought it from eBay, but when you check out, PayPal gives you a choice to either send US dollars and then they put like a little exchange rate on it, or you can send Canadian dollars and then they do the conversion. Anyway, it's really confusing. The price that you see on eBay that you're paying is not really the price once you do checkout through PayPal. So it's kind of confusing, but I still got a good deal on these. I picked these up for around $60. So I figure that's pretty solid for a graded, Morgan silver dollar. So I needed some inventory. So adding these two to the inventory, I think that's solid. I really like my slab box is totally like there's nothing in there anymore. Because I've been concentrating so much on the raw. So here's something that's interesting. Let me take this. What is this tag? So I guess Canada has their own grading company, CCCS. So I've never seen one of these holders here in the States. I mean, I'm in Illinois and Chicago, but I was looking at the actual dollar itself, and I'm like, man, that's a great looking silver dollar. Like, they say it's AU, but that's a solid looking dollar. So not sure if you guys are familiar, if you've ever seen it, but that's what a CCCS holder looks like, and it stands for something. Hold on, let me look it up. Okay, I looked it up. It's Canadian Coin Certification Services, CCCS, and they're based out of Canada, obviously, so we don't really see that much here. So I've never really seen these listed here in the U.S., so I figured I'd offer them up. Again, for $60 though, I mean the coins themselves. I mean 1890S, you can't get these for $60 raw that look this nice. So I might even crack these out and just sell them raw and get more, because someone would be like, dude, what kind of holder is that? That's really goofy. So, but anyways, if you're out and about and you see these funky holders and it's got this CCCS, that's what that's all about. I guess that's a pretty good grading company. What do you think of these coins though? Like, look at this one. I mean, it's got some frost. I guess it's AU. I don't know, man. That's a great looking coin. Like, look at these two side by side. I think the AU55 looks better than the AU58. What do you guys think? Eye appeal? I mean, I know this has like a lot more chatter and stuff, but like just eye appeal. Okay, so here, if you guys are in the store and I showed you these two Morgans and I'd be like, hey, both of these cost the same. Which one would you buy? I don't know. It depends, right? Like if you like one that has like clear cheeks, you'd probably pick this one. But this one, like my eye is going to this one more. Now let's look at the reverse. Again, say you're in a coin shop. Which coin's more attractive? Again, I like the frostiness. Like I like that difference in fields. So again, this is cleaner looking, but this one here, I don't know. I like it. I really like it when the Morgan silver dollar is frosty. Like it's rare. I mean, it's common in San Francisco, but maybe not so common, right? There are probably tons of them somewhere out there, and someone's got them in their basement and they're not sharing with nobody. And these two are the same exact grade, 1889 MS62. Again, this coin's nicer than this one, just from the eye appeal, the luster itself. Same with the reverse. So again, you never like grading is one, obviously is subjective of the grader, but if you're in a store and these two are side by side, this one's selling first. So when you look online and you see like, hey, why are they charging more for that one than this one? Well, this one's going to get less because it's less desirable. This one's going to probably get another 10% more. That's just how it rolls. So anyways, guys, appreciate you guys watching. It did not take long to get these packages either from Canada. So obviously, like, make sure it's an actual legit shop that has good feedback, not just some like random Canadian selling coins. So this guy obviously knew how to go through the mail and the correct type of form he had to sign. And as a seller here in the States, when we're selling to other countries, we don't have to fill out any of that stuff because eBay handles it through the global shipping program. But this guy did a nice job. So again, I just ordered 4 coins. Came in a really, really big box. I mean, just for 4 slabs, but it's all good. I don't see any invoice in here. No, just a bunch of bubble wrap. So I'll be recycling and using that for future shipments. But I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, subscribe. And funny, the lowest grade coin is a nice looking one. Take care, guys.